Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this tutorial you will learn Python email automation. Means how we can send emails without using any application or browser. We will use simple Python codes instead. To write code, open your Python text editor. In my case, I am using PyCharm. Open it. Create a new Python file. And name it, for example, email automation. Now for sending email, we will use a Python library called smtplib. First we have to install smtplib if already not installed. To install smtplib, go to PyCharm terminal or CMD and type this simple command, PyCharm terminal, and type this simple command pip install secure-smtplib. Pip install secure-smtplib. Press enter. This command will install smtplib within just few seconds. Now to start coding, go to the text editor and import smtplib. Type import smtplib. Then create a variable with any name. For example, mail equals smtplib.smtp.gmail.com with port number 587. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is a protocol used for sending email over the internet. And smtp.gmail.com is the SMTP server address of Gmail. Because I am using Gmail account, so I will use SMTP address of Gmail server with its port number 587. Now we will use hello and start TLS. Mail.start TLS. Hello and start TLS are both protocol used for server connection. It will establish a connection with the Gmail server. After getting connected to Gmail server, we will now try to log in to the server so that we can send email from. For that we will use login, mail.login. To log in to Gmail server, we should provide a Gmail account credential. So I will enter my account information like my email ID and password. Now mail.login, my email address, debug with a u at gmail.com with its password. I will type the password for this email address. And also this email address will be our sender email address in the next command. This email will be used as sender email address. I will type the password. After getting into my account, now I can send email from my Gmail account. To send email, we will use send mail command. This segment of our code will need three types of argument to send mail. These are sender email address, receiver email address, and the third one is our message. So I will type sender email address, that is debug with a u at gmail.com. Receiver email address, I will use this email address. You can send mail to anyone. I will use this email address. Now type your message here. I will type my message with email subject Python intro. This will be the subject of our email, Python intro. So let me just correct the syntax. After Python intro, after the subject, type \n Now type the message body here. For example, good day. Good day all. Colon \n. Now type message. For example, meeting is scheduled. Meeting is scheduled. I will keep this to the next line, so to be visible. Meeting is scheduled for tomorrow at Peshawar, main branch. Main branch. Now \n. Now in regards, I will write here admin officer colon \n Ayub Yusufzai. I am using these \n just to format the message body to look better. After sending email, we want Python to tell us the status of our email. So we will use print command here. Print your email has been sent successfully. In order that Python tell us the status of our email, so I am using print command here. Now mail.quite. So the coding is over here. Now we will try to run it. Now we will run our program, run it and see the result. Oh, we got an error here, and this is authentication error. Authentication error may be because of wrong email or password, but my email and password are correct, so that's not the case here. This is because of Google setting. Means Google is not allowing us to send email using less secure application. So we have to allow less secure application in our Google account setting. To allow less secure application, go to your Google account setting. Click here, manage your Google account. Click security. Scroll down to less secure application. Less secure application. This is off by default, and turning it on is not recommended, but we will turn it on just for now to send our email. Turn it on. Close this. Now run the code again and see the result, what it says. And yes, we got the result here. Your email has been sent successfully. Python says that the email has been sent successfully. So let me double check this, what Python says. To check, I will log into the receiver email account, and here the email has been received. The email we received is from that sender email address, that was debugwithayub@gmail.com. This is our email subject, Python intro, and the body of the message here. In this format is because of the new lines, means \n. So we use there to give it a nice look. So this is how we can send and automate sending email with Python. That's all for now. See you with the next tutorial soon.